So I've been sent out a sample kit from JennyChem for 8 of their best products, and I'm going to test them out. And there'll be an episode for each one of these products. And then you can decide if going direct to the manufacturer beats buying those other expensive brands. They very kindly sent me a high quality microfiber, a tire shine applicator, a bunch of spray triggers, you've got this orange quick wax, simply mist on and wipe off. You've got a non-caustic Snowstorm TFR Maxi Mousse, safe to use on any ceramic coated car according to their description. And then you've got their glass cleaner, which you can use on sensitive tints, acrylic and polycarbonate windows. You've got the long life tire shine, which they claim lasts 2 to 3 weeks in any condition. They've got their Iron X fallout remover, which they say it will remove contaminants from practically any surface. They've also added TFR Ultra Pre-Wash Solution. And this is the one that I'm probably most excited about. Sapphire Super Rinse Aid gives you a ceramic coating-like finish. Simply spray on and wash off. And lastly, they've given you the V-Sheen Plastic Restorer to bring your plastics back to life. So that's 8 of their best sample products. Stay tuned for an episode on each one of these products. And you know what? I might even throw in some rogue products that I've bought from them in the past.